people of YouTube, hope all is well with you. My name's Sam and today I'm going to be doing an abstract painting done completely with palette knives. I thought I'd do this one just to show you how to do it, how easy it is, and you could also feel free to follow along. So that's our palette knives there. The other ones I've got, there's so many different types of palette knives you can get. But honestly, even if you have one palette knife, you'll be able to do this painting. So do whatever colours you want. These are just the colours I chose. When I do abstracts, I like to, when I lay my colours down, I put them in lines like that, as you can see, horizontal and vertical lines. This just means when I spread it out, it's just easier to spread the way I want it to spread. But really you can do it any kind of angle that you want. There's no certain way to do it. So I actually don't really know the proper way to hold a palette knife, I kind of just go with it. So you can see here I'm just dragging that purple and pink paint up and down to the side. Abstract painting is just a wonderful thing to do if you're new to painting. It just is really easy. No matter what you do, it's going to be a piece of art. It doesn't need to look like anything, which is really good, because when you're trying to paint something that looks like something else, it's just tricky. So this is just a nice fun thing to do. So you can see I'm just adding a bit of paint here and there. I like that kind of look when you kind of put down a bit of paint and then go across, so it's kind of more spread out. As you can see I've done there. When I'm spreading my paint, I'm trying to keep that knife as flat to the canvas as I can, just so when I spread it there's not heaps of gaps and it spreads out nice and evenly. So it's a nice thin layer that it's spread out on. So when I do an abstract painting, I do try not to mess around with it too much, because I find the more you mess around with it, the messier it looks. Whereas if you try to keep it simple, you just go with the flow, let what happens happen, and then I think you get a better result that way. And just don't stress about it. I mean, at the end of the day, even if you don't like it, you probably will be able to sell it, because people just buy abstracts and love them. And I'm sure any part of your house can be brightened up no matter what it looks like. I think as artists we just judge ourselves a bit harsher than we need to sometimes. So you can just see I've put some white on the top and the bottom, and I'm just going to spread that around a bit. This is going to be kind of my second layer on top of that first layer. If you just want white on there, you don't want those other colours mixed in, then that's simple. Just let it dry for a few hours, or put a hairdryer over it for a while, and then go over it, and it shouldn't pick up as much of the colour. But in this one I want that colour in there. I think it's straight through it. So again, I'm just pulling the paint with my knife. Nothing too technical about it really. I always used to think people must spend ages doing abstract paintings, which you can do, don't get me wrong, but sometimes you don't really need to get a good result. So as I said before, you just keep going as far as you want to take it when the white's concerned. It's up to you where you want to stop. You can add another layer on if you want a bit of a more pure white colour on there, but that's up to you. So here I'm just using my other palette knife, just that little, I don't know, triangle-y one, and I'm just pulling the knife down and flicking it up, and that just gets this kind of texture on the canvas that's different just from your other palette knife. So just slowly pulling the paint up, flicking and pulling, flicking and pulling, and I'm going to do it all the way around to make a bit of a border around it. You could just do maybe part of the side like this, all of it, it's up to you really, but I think it's quite a cool effect. I find if I do it too much though, if it's too much of the canvas, it can start looking a bit messy. So if you are following along with this video today, doing your own version of this abstract piece, then I'll just let you know that I sold this bad boy for 50 bucks. That's right people, I sell paintings now. And as I said, abstract paintings is, there's a big market for them. Lots of people like them just to brighten up little spots in their house, above their couches and all that. So they are quite popular, and I find it a bit easier to sell. Unless obviously you're an amazing artist at something else like landscapes, then you're going to sell. Alright, so here as you can see, I've just put a bit of yellow paint on there, and I'm using my larger palette knife just to spread that around a little bit. I don't want too much of the yellow, I just kind of want hints, and I want it to stay bright, so I don't want to mix it in too much or press too hard so the colours mix together. Now I'm just using this other long palette knife. It's just got a really nice straight edge, just for what I'm about to do. I don't know what this is called, but what should we call it? We'll call it the linogram. I don't know what that was. I don't know what to call it. Anyway, there's probably a name for it, but basically you're just making little straight lines all over wherever you want. The way I was doing it is I was kind of doing it so the lines came in to the middle, but not really over the middle. And it's just a real cool, easy effect. When you look closely at it, you can see how it drags some of the paint down, which it does look real cool when it's close up. And it just gives it an extra effect, really. I did a painting similar to this, but it was lots and lots of lines and lots of techniques mixed in together. It didn't really work. But someone still bought it, so yeah. Here I am. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, hit a like, leave me a comment, especially if you did one of your own, put a picture on there. And yeah, I'll be doing a few videos a week, so if you want to subscribe, go for it, and then you'll see when they come up. Thanks, till next time. Cheers.